What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of LouBar's Garage. I am Luis, and today we have a product review from our homies over at LASFit. They sent us over an LED lighting kit for our 2001 Subaru Forester, just so we can upgrade the lighting. If you own an old Gen 1 Forester like I do, you know that the OEM lighting is caca. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, install it, and we're gonna see the difference between the OEM light and the new LED kit from LASFit. If you do want to get a hold of your own LED kit, I will be putting a discount code in the description so you can get yours and elevate your lighting as well. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this new LED kit from LASFit. All right, guys, so here is the box right here. So I love already that this box does come with little thumb inserts. One of the things that's hard about packaging sometimes, guys, is that it is sometimes so difficult to get the lid off of it. You gotta like shake it out until it actually pops out. So right away, I do like these thumb inserts. And then looking at the boxing already, I mean, that definitely grabs your attention right there. The black and red and the silver, awesome. Pull off the lid like that. And right away, we do have a product manual here. Make sure to go ahead and read through the manual. That way you know how to correctly install these lights. Look at that. That is some killer packaging right there. I love that. We can go ahead and just remove this tab right there. Alrighty, there you go, guys. We already have the lights. And then also it does come with the ballast, which older cars like these Foresters definitely need a ballast on there, or else what'll happen is you'll install one side and then the other side will not even turn on at all. It's kind of weird. The light itself, the product, man, this wire is pretty dang thick. It feels really heavy duty in my hands. Like, this is definitely not a cheap kit for sure. I do love the design of it. It's nice and sleek, silver with the black and the red. Awesome. My Forester is red too, so that is an added bonus there. Let's go ahead and take a look to see what the OEM lights look like. Install one side, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a lighting test in the garage here, and we'll see the difference. I also do love that on the back of the packaging here, guys, it does give you the specs of the actual lighting. 12 to 16 volt. It is a 6000K lumen, 2-year, 2-piece LED kit. So you do get a 2-year warranty, which is awesome. So just in case something does happen, they warranty this mug out. All right, guys, so as you can see, the OEM lighting is weak, absolute weak. Look at that, the yellow tint. Man, this is not good for driving at all during the early morning or even late at night. You cannot see anything. Let's go ahead and install the right side, and we'll do a quick comparison as well. The install is pretty straightforward. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove the wiring harness here from the back. And then inside, there's a couple tabs that is holding the OEM light in place. Pinch those together, and then that'll go ahead and release the OEM light here. All right, so we'll go ahead and put that aside. We're gonna connect the end of the new light to the wiring harness, and it already comes with the mounting plate. So all we gotta do is go ahead and insert it into the hole. Now that that's in place, we're gonna go ahead and click the thing down. Awesome, perfect. So just like that, we went ahead and installed that, and that's nice and snug in place. Here is the situation. So as you can see, the mounting plate lines up with the grooves on the bracket there. Here is our ballast. So we'll just kind of go ahead and tuck this in here. Kind of tuck it in behind the horn there. That way it won't move or anything like that. Let's go ahead and turn them on and see what the comparison is. So as you can see, the driver's side is the OEM light, and the passenger side is the new LAS lamp. Already, just comparing the two, there is a significant difference in appearance and also in brightness. There you go, shining in your face there. And again, we're facing the car now towards the garage door. The one on the driver's side, the one on the left, is the OEM. So it's more of a dull, more yellow tone. And the one on the right is the LASFit light that's more brighter and vibrant. It definitely does a better job of illuminating than the OEM light does on the left. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this episode of LouBar's Garage. Again, a huge shout out to our friends over at LASFit for sending us this lighting kit for our 2001 Subaru Forester. It's definitely going to elevate our visibility when we're driving. If you're looking to upgrade your lighting on your Forester as well, go ahead and check these guys out, and I'll go ahead and leave a coupon code in the description so that way you can go ahead and get your kit as well. Super simple, quick and easy install. Took me 5 minutes. and it'll definitely be worth it, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you then, and we'll see you another time.